Okay, on this one we're looking for the inverse of this function, and it's already written in function notation, so h of x is equal to negative x to the fifth power. Now, this is written in function notation. We're going to need to rewrite this one in with a y instead of h of x. So y is equal to negative x to the fifth power. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need to switch our x's and our y's. So I'm going to go x is equal to negative y to the fifth power. All I did really there is just switch my x's and my y's. You'll see my blue here. That's the only parts that I've changed. Now the catch is we want to get y all by itself, so I've got to get rid of this negative fifth all to the fifth power. So if we take the fifth root of each side, we will accomplish that. So I need to go fifth root of x is equal to the fifth root of negative y. Well, the fifth root of negative y, all raised to the fifth power, those two will end up canceling each other. So now I have the fifth root of x is equal to negative y. Now, I can't really end up with the negative, so I'm going to need to divide both sides by negative 1. So that's going to give me, and I'll bring it right back up here, negative fifth root of x is equal to y. Now, we're used to seeing the y on the left-hand side, the one that we just solved for, so I'm going to rewrite that now. Y is equal to negative fifth root of x. Okay, and when we write it as our final one, we'll write it in function notation. We started with an h of x, so our new one is going to be h negative 1 of x. H inverse of x is equal to negative fifth root of x. And that there will be your answer on this particular one. That's the inverse